Happy Forgings Ltd, a forged and machined components manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1979 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2023. They are based in Ludhiana with more than 3,000 employees. They have 3 manufacturing plants located in Ludhiana with forging capacity of 1,20,000 tons per annum and machining capacity of 51,000 tons per annum. The market cap of the company is 10,606 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,125 rupees per share. The company has a 32% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 41% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company manufactures forged and machined products like crankshaft, which contributes about 45% of the total revenue, crown wheel, axle shaft, valve bodies, connecting rods, and more. About 85% of the revenue is generated from machined products and 15% from forged products. These products are used in diverse industries for various applications. About 42% of the revenue is generated from commercial vehicles, 1% from passenger vehicles, 31% from farm equipment, 13% from off-road vehicles, and 12% from other industrial segments. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 2 quarters. We can see some foreign investments and a good portion of domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public, which is a positive sign. Some clients of the company are India Manufacturing, Ashok Leyland, JCB, Mahindra, Yanmar Engine Manufacturing, SML Isuzu, Dana India, Tata Cummins, Merita Heavy Vehicle Systems, and more. Company has good clientele from both domestic and international markets. Top 3 clients contribute about 34% of the total revenue, 47% from top 5 clients, and 70% from top 10 clients. Coming to some key highlights. Company is the second largest manufacturer of crankshafts for commercial vehicles in India. They are second company to have 14,000 tons forging press capability in India. In March 2024, company formed a wholly owned subsidiary, HFL Technologies. In April 2024, company secured an order of rupees 50 crores for automobile driveline components. In May 2024, company secured an order of rupees 35 crores for axle components for SUV. They serve more than 60 clients from 9 countries, with a revenue concentration of 20% from exports and 80% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.